Hey everyone, I'm Alexis Amici. Welcome to my car. So we're doing the intro in my car because I forgot to do it before I left the house. So, welcome back. I will be doing a look using the Rustic Glam palette. And the look I bought, this look. So this is what I did. Here's a little close up for you. I don't know if the lighting's that great. Do you want to lean forward? Is that better? I don't know, but yeah, that's what I did. I think it's pretty cute. So if you want to know how I got this look, just keep watching. Yeah. Hey guys, so the first shade I'll be dipping into is Desert Queen, that lovely orange shade. We're just gonna pop that in the crease. My eyes are already set with the lightest shade in the palette, which is Free Spirit. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna take that shade Fringe, it's like a light beige brown, and just kind of go underneath the orange, you know, to kind of deepen in the color, kind of make a nice gradient effect. Alright, now we're gonna go into Evil Eye, that really bold blue shade, and oh, okay, yeah, it's really bold. I wasn't expecting that intense pigment. Just gonna spread it all over the lid. Yeah, that's what's going on here. Alright, now I'm going to take my concealer by Tarte. I think it's like aqua concealer or some stuff, but I like it. I'm using some brush that I found in my Profusion palette. It has a nice angle to it, and just kind of, you know, make it a little cut crease type of effect. This method is really awesome. If you have hooded eyes like myself, it'll really open up your eye and just kind of make the colors just look seamless. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so now I'm going to go into that Free Spirit shade to set the lid, set the concealer, so it's not so sticky, and the color that I put on top, it'll just blend better. And I just want to say this, I don't know what it is about doing eye makeup, doing mascara or whatever. Does anyone else just have the tendency to just kind of open their mouth? It's doing nothing, but it just feels right. I don't know why. Yeah, just tell me I'm not alone here. Okay, I don't want to be the only person opening my mouth when I'm doing my makeup. Alright, so I'm going to go in with Dreamcatcher, that very nice sparkly blue, light, pretty shade. Yeah, I'm going to kind of stick that on my lid. So I'm still using that same shade, Dreamcatcher. I'm just using a more compact brush. I can pick up more pigment and really give more dimension to the sides of my eyes. So I'm going back in with that beige shade, Fringe, and kind of just put that underneath my eye. You know, just make the colors blend. And then, we're going in with that blue, that blue again, Dreamcatcher, yep. And, what am I doing now? Oh my gosh, orange, this is so fast. Okay, the Desert Queen shade. We're blending all those colors because I just couldn't make up my mind, but they look all great. Just watch, it looks great. Oh, and then I decided to deepen things up a bit with the Suede shade in the palette. I dipped in it a couple times, just kind of deepen the corners a bit, you know, make everything look, you know, seamless and blended. Yeah. So I'm going back into Fringe, and I'm just gonna kind of blend Fringe and Suede together slightly, not all the way in the crease, but you know, just a little bit, so it kind of marries the orange that's going on in my eyes. Again, we're just gonna go into Suede and deepen the corners because I just felt like I you know, I did a lot of blending. I needed to bring that out a bit. Oh, and I got a little ballsy there again and wanted to really deepen it with the Moonchild, the blackish navy shade in the palette. It's, I don't know, it's black and navy. Okay, so more of that Dreamcatcher to bring out that blue. And now we're, what are we doing on the eyes? I think we're just going with the dark shade, the suede. We're just, you know, bringing that on the lower lash line. And oh, here we go again with more blue, evil eye, just kind of blending it. Yeah. And what am I deciding to do now? Okay, orange. We're Desert Queen. I wanted to put it like kind of underneath those colors. I just felt like I wanted to make my eyes look bigger because, you know, why not? Big eyes are just great, you know? I feel like I'm saying you know a lot. I'm sorry. Oh, wait. Okay, so we're putting Furry Spirit in the inner corners, and we're going to highlight the brow bone with that color as well. So, am I done? Am I done? No, okay. More suede. More deepening. Yep. So, now we're going in with a Stila glitter thing. I found at Marshall's for like really cheap. And I don't know if it's the real thing, but it works good. It's called Kitten Karma. It's like a pretty pink glitter thing. Yep. And we're just gonna put that in the corner, make my eyes pop more because like we said, we like big eyes. And ready for the reveal. Here it comes. Alright, so here's the final look. The lighting kind of goes in different directions every now and then, but I think you get the gist. So anyways, I hope you liked this video. I appreciate you spending time with me watching this. Like, you're great for that. You really are. And to show your appreciation for my content, if you wouldn't mind giving me a like, you can subscribe if you like. If you want to see more stuff, more of me, that'd be awesome. So anyways, thanks for your presence, and I hope you have a lovely namaste kind of day. Alright, bye!